everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with my second day of the La Land card making and coloring workshop, if you forget the name of it. So this was the first day, and I did a video on that. I also did an unboxing, so you might want to watch the unboxing where I show you everything that I got in my kit. So let's see. This is the last class. I'm going to go in order of the classes that we did. I think it was this one. Okay, so we did this. So the way that the classes worked is we spent an hour doing coloring and then an hour making a card using what we colored. So what I really enjoyed was that the coloring, you know, kind of shows you how to kind of jazz up your coloring a little bit. So using white gel pen or using Copics in a way to make designs, I really enjoyed that. So this was the next class that we made, and I used this stamp set, which is Luca with Suitcase. We also received in our kit a new product that's not coming out till May, which is the suitcase. So I'm going to show you guys that and the project. So the project is like a slimline sized card, but it's kind of like a card folio, I would say. And so we just pieced together paper from the 6x6 paper pad to make it work. And then we got lots of different cutouts, but this is the new die, which is a suitcase, which is really an adorable die. But here is my Luca all colored in with a suitcase. I think it came out really cute. And then it has like this cool little easy to make closure, and you just open it up. And so you've got these very tall tags here. And you could put a gift card here or another tag. You could put a note or like a picture here. And then that's what the back looks like. So that was the first thing that we made on the second day. And then the second class was a watercolor with distress inks. So I didn't have that many distress inks. I have the full set of the distress oxide. I prefer them because I like the reaction to water. I like the spots and the dribs and stuff. So whenever I use oxides, I use them with the intent of spraying water on them. So I like the oxides. I do have some distress inks. So I did kind of use what I had within similar colors. But I didn't have a good pink because I didn't have picked raspberry, and I didn't have a good yellow. So I did use the watercolors that I had gotten from a kit, a workshop kit that I had done last year with Concord and Ninth. And so let me show you the project. And I'm also going to show you what I colored because I'm going to show you how I did the same thing in Copics. But I still wanted to play with the watercolors and do the same technique. And I think it didn't come out too badly, even though I much prefer my my Copics. But anyway, here is this card, and I love it. It's a shaker, and I think it's just adorable. So we didn't get this die. I actually ordered it because we could order it in advance and get a discount. And that is the Celebrate die, which is very much similar to the Smile die, only it's Celebrate. And I just love it. I love how, you know, everything is so unique with all of the cards that we made. And then this is what the inside looks like. And then this is a pocket. You could put a gift card or a note or something in the side. So I love that. I think it came out really cute. And so let me pull. I think it's really kind of not too far away that I can grab. I see it. I'm going to grab the Jumping for Joy Marcy. So it was this stamp set. We got this stamp in our kit. And then I colored her out. And I actually used watercolor paper because I had stamped her out twice on watercolor paper. But I colored her in Copics, and so you can see the difference. I think I did a pretty good job with the watercolors, but I definitely have, you know, I have a lot of Copics, but so I was able to do her face a little bit better. Her hair a little more dimension, but I still think they both are really cute. So I'm going to make something with this little girl at some point. And so that was really fun. And so in the last class that we did for the whole class was a Copics coloring class. And we used, I hadn't even put my stamp set away yet, this new stamp set called Nailed It. So these are all going to be coming out in May, but it has these cute hippos. And we actually made 3 cards. And yeah, they're A2 size cards, but they're still really unique. So we got to use a lot of new product, which I'm debating whether I want to get it or not. I might just, I don't know. Maybe I'll wait and get it when I do my next class with them and get another discount. But we used acetate. So I love it. So we colored our cute little hippos and we cut them out, and we used for our sentiments from the stamp set. So it's a Father's Day stamp set. And this is a new product that's coming out. It's this cute little vest. And it's an acetate card, and it's adorable. So here's the inside. I put happy birthday in there. This might be the one I give my dad because I like it. I think it's cute. And then, or this one. This one's cute too. I did this one. I mean, this one could be just a masculine card because it says like a boy or like a man birthday. King of the Grill. And so this is a new product as well. It's going to be this barbecue grill. And what do you call these? Spatulas. I mean, they have like the utensils that go with the barbecuing, I guess. So this is also an acetate card, and it's cut at a diagonal, and then you've got this acetate right here. And I just think it's so cool. And so you flip it up, and then all the leftover pieces that we didn't use that were, put here. Isn't that cute? So, and then the third card, this is all in the last class. It says Mr. Fix-It. I'm probably going to go over, I didn't put this in my stamp positioner, so I'm probably going to go over some black marker so it's a little darker. But it has these cute little tools in a toolbox. That's new die cut set that's coming out to La La Land Crafts soon, and it's a diagonal on the other side, and then it's acetate right here. So it's really cool, and then the inside piece has that. So I just love how that came out. I think it's just adorable. So those are all the cards that I made, and I had a great time. They're having a retreat. La La Land's doing a virtual retreat in September, and it's expensive. It's like $400. It's one of the most expensive ones. But I do buy a lot of La La Land crafts, so it's like my jam. And I think it's going to be worth it because you get a lot of cool product, plus the projects that you make are pretty amazing. They're just not your run-of-the-mill projects. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy Create the Art.